Hello, in this video, what is the value of f of x given that you have f of x plus f of minus x plus f of 1 over x equals x plus 1. Then let's see how to solve this problem. But if you know how to solve this, put your answer in the comment section below. Then let's see how to solve this. Solution. Now we are given f of x plus f of minus x plus f of 1 over x equals x plus 1. Let's name this question 1. Now, we want to do something reasonable here because we have to solve this using system of equation so that we can find the value of x. Now, the value of f of x. Now, if our x equals minus x, so from here we're going to have f of minus x plus this will be f of x. This will be f of minus 1 over x. Then this will be 1 minus x. We have this to be equation 2. Again, if our x equals 1 over x, so from here we are going to have f of 1 over x. From here, we are going to have here to be f of minus 1 over x plus this will be f of x equals this will be x 1 over x plus 1. This equals equation 3. Then also, if our x also equals minus 1 over x, so from here we are going to have this to be f of minus 1 over x plus this will be f of x f of 1 over x plus this will be f of, look at this, minus x equals this will be 1 minus 1 over x. And this gives us equation 4. Now, from here, we have 4 systems of equation. Now, we have f of x in common, f of minus x, f of 1 over x, f of minus 1 over x. So let's have them as follow. That's f of x to be equals a, f of minus x to be equals b, f of 1 over x to be equals c, f of minus 1 over x to be equals d. Now, we are going to have in the above, f of x is a, here will be a plus b plus c equals x plus 1. Then, from equation 2, we have here to be b, this a, we can have it to be a plus b. Then from here we have d to be equals 1 minus x, equation 2. From equation 3, we can see we have a. From here is c plus d equals 1 plus 1 over x. From equation 4, we have b, here is c, here is d equals 1 minus 1 over x. Now, from here, let's have equation 1. Let's subtract equation 2 from 1. So what we're going to have, this will subtract this, this will subtract this. So we are going to have C minus D equals, this also will subtract this. So here will be x plus x, which equals 2x. So we have C minus D equals 2x. Let's name this as equation 5. Then we have to subtract equation 4 from 3. So this will cancel out this. This will cancel out this. We have A minus B equals. Now, when we subtract this, we cancel out this. So we are going to have this one to be 2 over x. We have equation 6. Now, we have this. Let's also add equation 1 and 3 together. So from equation 1 and 3, when we add, what we are going to have will be 1 and 3. When we add equation 1 and 3, here will be A plus B plus C equals x plus 1. Then we have A plus C plus D equals 1 plus 1 over x. Adding them together, so what we're going to have will be A plus A will be 2A. Then C plus C will be 2C plus B plus D equals 1 plus 1 is 2. Then from here we have x plus 1 over x. Finding the LCM, so what we are going to have will be 2A plus 2C plus B plus D equals 2 plus x plus 1 over x. Now, recall that from here, from equation 5, where we have C minus D equals 2x, then we can have here to be D equals C minus 2x. Then also we have A minus B equals 2 over x. So we can have B equals A minus 2 over x. Then if we name this to be equation 7, we name this to be equation 8. Then let's have this equation 7 and 8 here. So what we're going to have will be 2A plus, now our B, we have plus 2C. Then our B from here equals A minus 2 over x. Then our D equals plus C minus 2x equals 2 plus x plus 1 over x. Now, from here we have A plus A. This will give us 3A plus C plus C. We have 3C. Now, we have minus 2 over x minus 2x equals x plus 1 over x plus 2. So from here we have 3a plus 3c. Look at this. Let's take them to this side. So we are going to have x plus 1 over x plus 2 over x plus 2x plus 2. So we have 3a plus 3c, x plus x, so 2x plus x will be 3x, 1 over x plus 2 over x will be 3 over x, then plus 2. Now, let's factor 3 from here. A plus c equals, here will be x, here will be 1 over x, then here will be 2 over 3. So this cancel out this, we have a plus c equals x plus 1 over x plus 2 over 3. Now, we have to name this to be question 9. So, we have to recall that we have our a plus b plus c to be equals x plus 1 from the question 1. Now we have b to be equals a minus 2 over x already. So we have a, this will be plus a minus 2 over x plus c equals x plus 1. A plus a will give us 2a, or from here, don't let us do it this way. Let's have it as this a plus a. Then we have this to be plus c minus 2 over x equals x plus 1. Now from here, we have a plus c. So we have to recall that a plus c equals this. Recall that a plus c equals x plus 1 over x plus 2 over 3. So we have a plus x plus 1 over x plus 2 over 3 minus 2 over x equals x plus 1. Now, we have a. So from here, we have a. We have this x cancel out this x. So we're going to have, here is minus 2 over x. 1 over x will be minus 1 over x plus 2 over 3 equals, this equals 1. Now from here we have a minus 1 over x, 1 minus 2 over 3. We have a minus 1 over x. This will be 3 minus this will be 1 over 3. So we have a to be 1 over x plus 1 over 3. And recall that we have a to be equals f of x. So from here we have f of x to be equals 1 over x plus 1 over 3.